Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am unboxing the Fuji X-T4. I wasn't sure if I'd be getting this camera, but I've decided to go and get it. We've been really happy with the X-T3 and I've decided to change my whole camera setup to the Fuji system. So I thought we would unbox it together. I'll just show you what it says on the box as far as the contents. And then I will flick the cameras around so I'm recording on the X-T3 now. And we can have a look what the footage is like, and I'll do a little walk to see what the IBIS is like, and I'll take some pictures. So let's have a look. This is a bit awkward filming this, but we'll just try and get through it. So I haven't got a flippy screen, I've only got the little attachment which doesn't sort of let me do angles. So we've got the booklet here, I'll just put that to the side. And further down, oh, it's a little tray there. Oh, straight into the camera. Cool. So the camera, I'll just put it to the side and then we'll go through everything. And what else have we got? Oh, second level. It's a box. Box in a box. Just trying to get into it here. Oh. Tricky. Okay, so there's all our cables. Let's go through them. Take them all out and then we'll have a look. Various power adapter things, the battery, and looks like the little charger and a little dongle. Okay, so should we do the accessories first? I think we should. So, the strap. Nice material, nice and thick. And it's got those sort of, adjustable ends. So the same on both sides. So that's the strap. Now let's see what we've got here. Battery is the... these are the bigger batteries than the X-T3. So yeah, there we go. And how does the charging system work here? Looks like it's just got a little connector that goes into... Okay, that's the charger. And looks like the USB goes in the back, and then you've got the little power. And it has come with, so you just click that in, I'm assuming. Which way does it go? I'll have to figure that out. Oh, there we go, yeah. So it just slides in and then that becomes your power pack. It has also come, I'm in Australia, so that's the Australian one. And is this the, that might be the European? I don't know, it's come with two different ones so you can interchange. That's pretty cool actually. And what have we got here? This is a little, actually I should continue on with the power. So we've got the power cord on this side, or the USB cord I should say, USB-C, if I'm correct. I think, yeah. So that would go in there and then that would go into the side of your camera. That's pretty cool actually. So it has like dual purpose. So you've got, oh yeah, that's clever. I like that. As in one can go into the computer side as well. And this one I believe is for the audio. It doesn't have the normal audio jack, I think so. It's come with the little, we'll have a look at the body in a minute, but it's come with the little converter there. Now what have we got here? The big camera. Okay, here we go. Sealed. Break the seal on film. Hopefully I can get into it. Oh, that really is stuck down. Okay, here we go. Dum-da-da-dum. There it is. The Fuji X-T4 in my hands. Oh, I'm mega excited about this. Let me do like a 360. And it's got the flip screen and all the ports. And down here we've got battery, etc. So let's have a look in there. Yep, so battery just goes into there. And door locks. Oh yes, without the sliding thing. That's good. I like that. Simple things. Now let's have a look at the ports quickly. Let me just give you a close-up. There we go. That's what that little adapter was for. And your usual dials on top, the flippy screen, of course, which rotates all the way around. And can you put it back? You can, that's cool too. So that's good. And then the sensor in there. So yeah, pretty cool. So this camera does have a few advantages over the X-T3. Maybe I'll do a video on that. But yeah, some of the features, I haven't got my list here, but obviously it does 4K, does 4K 60 at internally at 420 10-bit, which is awesome. It just gives you more room in color grading. 15 frames a second on the mechanical shutter, I believe, which is, I think it was one of the fastest cameras early this year on the APS-C system. Yeah, and the flip screen's got the bigger battery. Yeah, it's just great. I'm looking forward to using it. I've been really happy with the X-T3, and this has got a few more features that make the X-T3 even better. So yeah, let's flip the cameras around and we'll have a little walk and you can see what the footage looks like. So see you in a sec. All right, so we're finally charged up, ready to go. I've got the mic on and the screen's flipped. It looks good. I can see everything there. It's pretty clear. I've got the ISO set to auto and I've got the white balance set to auto with white priority. So we'll see how it goes because I'm going to walk through the room, which is a bit darker and it's got different lights. So let me take this off. I've got the 23 f2 on there and handheld now. I'll just reverse out of here and we'll do a bit of a walk. So yeah, I've got all the stabilization on. So I've got the digital as well as whatever the other one was called, I've forgotten. But yeah, this is just purely handheld with all the stabilizers on. I'll just do another round here so we can see what it's like. I can see it's shaking in my hand, so it'd be interesting to see. Obviously I can't see it now while you're watching it already post-produced, but I'm just looking at the screen. It looks all right, yeah, but my hand is jittering like that as I'm walking. So I'll return to here and we'll just finish up. This was just a quick one, so just wanted to take you through the unboxing and show you what's in the box and what it comes with. But yeah, I'll do some more in-depth videos in the future. And I'll just leave you now with some pictures. I'll take a few pictures just to show you what they look like. I'll do them in RAW and just see how they come out. I might just put the Eterna profile on it in Lightroom and we'll see what they look like. So if you enjoyed the video, just yeah, give a thumbs up or leave a comment. I'd love to talk to you, all of you, and subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.